Hi, my name is Precious. 2020 is special because this is the year that I proudly graduated as a dental assistant from Anderson College, despite the challenges of COVID-19. I arrived in Canada in 2018 with my children. I was hoping to provide a better life for us, without a clear vision of where the next step in my career would be. That was until I came across the Intra dental assistant program at Anderson College. Some days I felt overwhelmed. Then I looked at my kids and reminded myself that I was their hero, and no hero ever emerged by being a quitter. I encourage everyone, especially mothers like myself, that if I could successfully complete my program, despite being a new immigrant and a single mother with 3 kids, they too can start today to pursue the career path that they've always wanted, even if it seems impossible. Determination and hard work are all you need. To read my full story, please go to www.andersoncollege.com/my2020.